I give the floor now to women in cybersecurity Middle East.
Sure. Esteemed member states and colleagues, I speak today as the chairperson of Women Cybersecurity Middle East WIXMI, a movement born from our region's legacy of resilience, collective will, and the belief that cybersecurity is not merely a technical domain, it is a human responsibility. Starting with a verse from our Holy Quran that reflects the spirit of our OWG journey. قال تعالى إن الله لا يغير ما بقوم حتى يغيروا ما بأنفسهم. Indeed, Allah will not change the condition of people until they change what's within themselves. This reminds us that the transformation begins from within. And today, as we all share the higher purpose of guarding our digital realm, it is our collective resolve that can take this OWG from aspiration to activation. Women are nation builders, and our Islamic and Arabic culture has proudly empowered women over the 1400 years, cultivating a supporting environment that continues to produce impactful female role models across the various fields. A powerful recent example of resilience was demonstrated by the Palestinian women in Gaza. Their remarkable strength and iron grit resonated globally, reminding everyone of the enduring spirit of our region. Today, WIXMI continues that legacy, uniting over 3,000 women across 22 Arab countries to strengthen cyber capacity, elevate women's voices, and deliver sustainable impact. WIXMI is not just a network. It is a global strategic blueprint for building inclusive digital future. Examples in that are launching CyberShe, the regional capacity building program with national KPIs alignment, aiming to train up to 1,500 skilled female cyber talents across the region in 3 years, with the first cohort launched from Kuwait. In partnership with ITU, WIXMI participants formed 1/3 of the global cohort in the Women's Cyber Mentorship Program. Arabic content and localized support were introduced for the first time, serving as a global hub by connecting more than 18 women cyber groups worldwide to support and amplify impact. These are not just milestones of representation. They are models of regional ownership, strategic execution, and sustained impact. As we approach the finalization of our OWG work, we respectfully propose acknowledging WIXMI and CyberShe as global blueprints for gender-responsive capacity building, utilizing civil society as force multipliers and operational partners, and establishing inclusive permanent mechanism for the stakeholders. WIXMI journey is a story of our region, culture-guided, resilience-built, and impact-driven. Let us carry this spirit forward, not as parallel voices, but as partners in progress, and be keen to cooperate in righteousness and pity, وَتَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْبِرِّ وَالتَّقْوَى, as widely advised in our Holy Quran. It is when empowerment meets righteousness, guided by a shared higher purpose, we build not only safer digital ecosystem, but stronger, more compassionate nations. Thank you, Chair.
Thank you very much for your contribution.